Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening PowerShell as administrator. This is required so the reset can change services and registry entries. Once done, pause any active antivirus scans and close apps that might lock files. You're elevating privileges so commands run without interruption. Make sure your account is in the administrators group. If not, switch to an admin account now. This initial step prevents permission errors and prepares Windows Defender for the reset commands you'll run next. You'll execute a short sequence of commands to stop Defender, remove corrupted data, and restore defaults. First, stop the service with stop service name win-defend-force, then remove the program data Defender folder to clear cached settings. After that, add defaults back and re-enable real-time protection with add MP preference, disable real-time monitoring $false and start service name win-defend. If a command fails because files are missing, run system file checker next. Once SFC finishes, repeat the removal and start steps to ensure a clean reset. You finish by verifying Windows Defender is running and updated. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and confirm real-time protection is on. Then check for definition updates to ensure current signatures. If Defender won't start or shows errors, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health in an elevated prompt, reboot, and repeat verification. One key troubleshooting tip. If services fail to start, check group policy or third-party AV remnants. Remove those entries and restart the reset sequence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.